Hi all, today we can discuss about Fermi Dirac distribution function and Fermi level. Energy band in a crystal accommodates large number of energy levels. How electrons are accommodating in these energy levels? Whether all the energy levels are completely filled or not. So, the distribution of electrons in an energy level is obeyed by Pauli's exclusion principles. That is, an energy level can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. According to Pauli's exclusion principle, no 2 electrons are possible with the same spin state. So, in an energy level, 2 electrons are possible, one with a spin up and other with a spin down. So, if there are n electrons, n by 2 energy levels are possible. In this diagram, see these lower energy levels are completely filled and upper energy levels are empty. So, the probability of occupancy of an electron in an energy level that can be determined by a function. That function is known as Fermi Dirac distribution function. Fermi Dirac distribution is a vast topic come under statistical mechanics. Here we are mentioning it to explain the Fermi levels. The probability that an electron can occupy in an energy level that is defined by the function f of e, that is given by 1 by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef by kt. This is exponential of e minus ef by kt, where e is the energy level in which we are finding the probability of occupancy of electron. Ef is an energy level that is known as Fermi energy level. K is the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature in absolute scale, that is in Kelvin. So here the lower energy levels are filled in this diagram. That means the probability of occupancy of electron in these energy levels are 100%. Whereas the upper energy levels are empty. That means the probability of occupancy of electron in the upper energy level is 0%. So Fermi Dirac distribution function will be 0 for the upper levels and 1 for the lower levels. Now we can see more about the Fermi energy in the Fermi Dirac distribution function. So what is this Fermi energy level? Fermi energy level is a reference energy level that is used to specify other energy levels. It can be defined as the highest filled energy level at absolute zero temperature, that is at 0 Kelvin. At 0 Kelvin, the uppermost filled energy level is known as the Fermi energy level, and the maximum energy of the electron at 0 Kelvin, that is the Fermi energy. That is, all energy levels above Fermi level are empty at 0 Kelvin, and all energy levels below the Fermi level are filled at 0 Kelvin. Now we can see the Fermi level in conductors. So first we can take the condition at temperature T is equal to 0. So here the first case is if E less than EF, that is we are considering the energy levels below the Fermi energy level. So if you are considering the energy levels below Fermi level, this E minus EF is equal to negative. So while we are considering the Fermi Dirac distribution function, it is equal to 1 by 1 plus e raised to negative value divided by k into, k is Boltzmann constant, into t, that is t here we are considering the case of 0 Kelvin. So here this becomes 0. So that is 1 by 1 plus e raised to minus a value divided by 0 is infinity. That is 1 by 1 plus, what is e raised to minus infinity? That is 1 by e raised to infinity. E raised to infinity is infinity. So 1 by infinity is 0. So e raised to minus infinity is 0. So 1 by 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. So what is the meaning of Fermi Dirac distribution is equal to 1? That is, it is corresponding to 100%. So 100% probability that electron can occupy in the energy level if we consider the energy levels below the EF. So here the probability distribution function equal to 1 means all energy levels below EF are completely occupied. Now we can consider the energy levels above EF, that is E greater than EF. So in this case, E minus EF is equal to a positive quantity. So what will be our Fermi function? That is equal to 1 by 1 plus E raised to, that is exponential, E minus EF, that is a positive value, divided by Boltzmann constant into T equal to 0 Kelvin, that is 0. That is 1 by 1 plus E raised to a positive number by 0, that is plus infinity. So 1 by 1 plus E raised to infinity is infinity, that is 1 by 1 plus infinity is infinity, so 1 by infinity is 0. That is Fermi Dirac distribution function for E greater than EF is 0. F of E is equal to 0 means the probability of occupancy of electron in the energy levels above Fermi level is 0%. That is all energy levels above Fermi level are empty. So that is all energy levels above EF are empty. Now we can consider the last condition, E is equal to EF. So that means E minus EF is equal to 0. So what is F of E? F of E is equal to 1 by 1 plus E raised to E minus EF is 0 by K is Boltzmann constant, T is 0. That is 1 by 1 plus E raised to 0 by 0. That is, what is 0 by 0? Not defined. So that means this is indeterminate. So if we consider the energy levels below the Fermi level, Fermi Dirac distribution function is 100%. That is all the energy levels below Fermi level is completely occupied. And if we consider the energy levels above Fermi level, the Fermi Dirac distribution function is 0. That is all the energy levels above Fermi level are empty. So if we draw a graph of F of E versus energy, that is 0, here it is 1, here we can consider an energy level E for EF. So these are the energy less than EF, here the energy is greater than EF. When we consider the energy levels below Fermi level, F of E is equal to 1. So we can consider like this. At E equal to EF, it is indeterminate. And if E greater than EF, then the F of E is equal to 0. That is, we are getting a step-like function. The Fermi Dirac distribution function with the energy levels varying like a step-like form. So here we are considering the condition at T equal to 0 Kelvin. That is, all energy levels below Fermi level are occupied and all energy levels above Fermi level are empty. So for conductors at T equal to 0 Kelvin, we can define the Fermi level as the uppermost filled energy level, and Fermi energy is the maximum energy of the electron in conductor at T equal to 0 Kelvin. If we change the condition, that is as temperature increases, the Fermi level definition also will change. Now we can consider the second case, that is temperature T greater than 0 Kelvin. So what happens as the temperature increases? When the temperature increases, the electrons in the lower energy level will get thermal energy and they will excited to the higher energy levels. That is, thermal excitation of electrons will happen. Therefore, this electron from the lower energy level will go to the upper energy level. So the probability of occupancy of electrons in the upper energy level will increase, and the probability of occupancy of electrons in the lower energy level will decrease, because as temperature increases, the electrons are thermally excited to the higher energy levels. When the electron will go to the higher energy level, that probability of occupancy of electron is increasing, and the probability of occupancy of electrons in the lower energy level is decreasing. So here we can consider a case when E is equal to EF. So that is E minus EF is equal to 0. So this equation become F of E is equal to 1 by 1 plus E raised to E minus EF is 0 divided by KT. Here T is greater than 0 Kelvin. So it is 1 by 1 plus E raised to 0. What is E raised to 0? 1. That is 1 by 1 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. That is 0.5. That is 50%. So when the temperature is greater than 0 Kelvin, F of E is equal to half. That means there is 50% probability of electrons at the Fermi level. So when the temperature is greater than 0 Kelvin, Fermi level is not the uppermost filled energy level. Fermi level may or may not be filled. So while we draw the graph of temperature greater than 0 Kelvin, this step-like nature will change because at A equal to EF, this probability is half, and for the E less than EF, that is the energy levels below the Fermi level, the probability of occupancy is decreasing. So the graph is not constant one like this, it will decrease like this, and at E equal to EF, the probability becomes half, and for E greater than EF, the probability is increasing. Earlier at T equal to 0 Kelvin, it was 0. So now the graph will be like this. So this is the graph for T greater than 0 Kelvin. That means probability of occupancy of an electron in the Fermi level above 0 temperature is 50%. So we cannot say that Fermi level is the uppermost filled energy level at temperature greater than 0 Kelvin. So for the temperature greater than 0 Kelvin, Fermi level is the average energy of the electrons that take part in the conduction process. So at T greater than 0 Kelvin, Fermi energy is defined as the average energy possessed by the electrons that take part in the conduction process in conductor. But at T equal to 0 Kelvin, Fermi energy is the energy of the electrons that filled in the topmost energy level. Okay, so we can see the numericals based on in the next video.